Hello friends, this is Prince Kumar. Welcome to my channel Computer X Baba. So today in this footage I bring the part 2 of my previous video. It is about best apps for watching movies and web series. So let's start our chapter on the computer screen. The first one is in my list is MX Player, a very popular digital player platform which provide you plethora of web series, TV shows, movies, live shows in free of cost. It is a very popular OTT platform right now. It is highly rated on Play Store and App Store. It is also available on web. This platform brings in new things and new contents regularly. The UI and UX of this app is very clean and easy to use. Here you can see the UI is very user friendly, and also the security of this app is very secure. Here I am searching the movie Transformer to showcase you running movie. This platform also gives you free music option and also gives you free YouTube content. The filters of this platform is also easy. So due to copyright issue, the live recording of movies is not allowed in MX Player. So here you can see the various features of this player. Various options are given. So now I'm moving to my next platform, that is Voot. Voot is also very popular OTT platform which provides you plethora of movies, TV shows, live shows, web series in free of cost. Also it has a premium plan. If you want to purchase, go and purchase it. The UI and UX is clean, easy to use and very eye-catching. Also website, apps on Play Store and App Store are very safe and secure and gives you regular updates and innovation and lots more. Okay, here you can see live news option, downloads. Now I am selecting a movie. So here you can see some of the popular Bollywood movies. So I now selecting the Rajinikanth movie. Again, due to some screen copyright issue, they will know. So now let's move to the third platform, that is Hungama Play. Hungama Play is also a very popular and great platform for providing contents. It has also premium subscription plan. Here you can see movies, originals, various options are given. This app is also secure, and this app will irritate you lots for subscription, and sometimes most of movies and videos will not work, but try and try again, some will work. So let's move to the next one, that is Eros Now. You have to create an ID and just log in, then you are able to see the free movies, web series, TV shows. Okay, it has also premium subscription, and Eros Now is a very popular production house and OTT platform in Bollywood. Here you can see I clicking on the movie. Ads is showing. This app is also very secure and brings regular updates and contents. Now let's move to the next one, that is G5. G5 also is a multi-talented OTT platform which gives you large numbers of content in free of cost. Also this app has a premium subscription option. Here you see the various option, also short video type of features are given in this app. Also in MX Player short video concept is given, MX Tuck, that was I not told you during the MX Play review, but in the bottom right corner you will found MX Tuck option. These are some of the upcoming options. This app also developing day by day, and it has a lots of potential to become a leader. If also this app brings latest contents and various upgrades in app and in various platforms. Also you have to create ID and just log in, and then you are able to see the various contents. It's taking time, and here you see the various description and information of movies, popular movies, and the movies that are similar to that are very common in these all OTT platforms. Now the last one that I am telling, that it doesn't need introduction, that is Disney Hotstar Plus, which is a very popular and a global level OTT platform, which gives you lots more in free of cost. It has also premium subscription. The UI UX is very smooth, clean and eye-catching. This app is also very secure and gives regular updates. Okay, it is highly rated on App Store, Play Store, and here you can see the various features of this app. And here I tried to play a movie. Hope this you see. So this was the complete list. Hope you understand and enjoy, and thanks for watching.